Some rifles earn their place the moment you pick them up, and losing one of those is a mistake that sticks with you for years. A lot of people sell rifles thinking they can always buy them back later. That's usually when prices jump, supply dries up, or quality quietly disappears. This list is about those rifles, the ones built right, the ones that keep performing decade after decade, the ones that carry history, smart design, and long-term worth all in one package. Some of these are no longer made, others still exist but not like they used to, and a few are already becoming hard to find unless you're ready to overpay. Once they leave your safe, replacing them often costs more and feels less satisfying. We're counting down 10 rifles you should never sell in 2026, and every entry earns its spot for a reason. And if you care about smart ownership and keeping the right rifles for the long haul, hit subscribe and stay with All About Firearms. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Number 1. Winchester Model 94 Pre-64. If you've got one of these in your safe, don't even think about letting it go. It's light enough to carry all day, just under 7.5 pounds, but it's not flimsy. It feels solid, built with forged steel, high-grade walnut, and hand-fitted parts. This classic runs smoother than most rifles made today. The action, buttery, the handling, like it was made for your shoulder. It typically comes with a 20-inch barrel, an overall length of 38 inches, and a 6-round tubular magazine under the barrel. Most are chambered in .30.30 Winchester or .32 Winchester Special, which still get the job done for hunting and mid-range work. Iron sights are basic but functional, and once you get used to the lever, there's no turning back. Every cycle feels like a clean mechanical handshake. It doesn't just fire, it works. Here's the kicker: prices are climbing fast. A clean example today can go from $1,200 to $3,000, with rare models reaching $10,000 or more. Some commemoratives have crossed $25,000 at auction. Pros: smooth, reliable action that improves with use. Classic balance and feel, built to last. Rising collector value. Cons: iron sights may be tough on older eyes. Scope mounting takes extra work. Needs regular oiling to prevent rust. No divvy. M1 Garand. If there's one rifle you'll regret selling the moment it leaves your hands, it's this one. Built for war, known for that sharp ping after every 8th shot, and chambered in .30-06, this classic hits like a freight train and keeps running like a clock. It's not just reliable, it's unforgettable. At about 9.5 pounds, with a 24-inch barrel and 43.5 inches overall, it's got size and weight you feel, but in a good way. The gas-operated system feeds from an 8-round on-block clip, and every cycle feels smooth, strong, and serious. Fire it once, and you'll understand why soldiers trusted it with their lives. This thing doesn't ask for attention, it earns it. From the hardwood stock to the steel guts, it was built to take a beating and come back for more. Even nearly a century later. These are getting harder to find. Clean examples run between $1,400 and $3,500, while rare originals are climbing past $5,000. And the ones in great shape, they usually never leave the family. Pros: proven in war, smooth in the field, fires hard and stays reliable. In climbing collector value. Cons: heavy to carry long distances. Limited 8-round capacity, strong recoil for new shooters. Number 3, Weatherby Mark V. If you ever fire this one at full power, you'll understand why some folks call it overbuilt, in the best possible way. It's not lightweight, it's not modest, and it's definitely not average. It was made for serious long-range power with near-flawless reliability. Built around a 9-lug bolt, this action handles pressure like a vault door. Smooth to cycle, strong under stress. Standard weight lands around 8 to 8.5 pounds, with a 24-inch barrel and total length just over 44 inches. Most versions carry 3+1 or 4+1 rounds, depending on the chambering. You'll find it in everything from .240 up to the thumping .460 Weatherby Magnum, and yes, you'll feel the difference. Accuracy is no accident here. Barrels are lapped for tight groups, and the stock-to-action fit leaves nothing to chance. Whether it's walnut or synthetic, it holds solid. Price: expect around $2,000 to $4,000 for standard builds. Custom shop pieces with fine wood and detailing regularly go past $10,000, with top-end models reaching $15,000 or more. Pros: Handles high-pressure rounds with ease. Excellent accuracy from factory barrels. Built strong for long-term use. Cons, heavier than average. Scope mounting may need special bases. Bigger calibers deliver stout recoil. Number 4, Heckler Koch G3. The moment this one hits your shoulder, you know it wasn't made for comfort. It was made for combat. This is pure power packed into steel. It fires 7.62 by 51 NATO with authority and cycles with a system so simple it keeps going when others quit. The roller delayed blowback design is rugged, fast, and incredibly easy to clean. That's why it earned its reputation on real-world battlefields, not just test ranges. It weighs about 9.7 pounds unloaded, has a 17.7-inch barrel, and an overall length of around 40 inches. It's not light, but that weight helps soak up recoil and add stability during rapid fire. Magazines are 20 round, steel, and built tough. Swap them fast, load them easy, and you're back on target. This isn't a rifle you let go, it's one you keep, shoot, and pass down. Prices now range from $1,800 to $3,500 for solid clones, while military-marked originals in clean shape push past $5,000. Pros, I cheer: rock-solid durability in any condition. Simple system, easy to maintain. Powerful and accurate. Cons, hefty weight for extended carry. Stronger recoil than modern rifles. Limited modern sight compatibility without upgrades. Number 5, Savage Model 99. Some rifles are rare because they're old. Others are rare because nothing else ever matched them. This one falls into both categories. It was built to be different, and it nailed it. The lever feels smooth but solid. No external hammer to catch on brush. And unlike most levers of its time, it feeds from a rotary magazine, which means you can run pointed bullets safely. That's a big deal even today. Weight lands around 7 to 7.5 pounds, with barrel lengths between 20 and 24 inches, depending on the model. It was chambered in classics like .300 Savage, .308, Win, .25, O-3000, and even .22 high power, giving you options for both deer and longer range shots. The balance is spot on. It swings easy, sits right, and shoots flat. And older triggers, clean, crisp, and consistent. Here's the tough part, they don't make it anymore, and every time one sells, there's one less in circulation. Expect to pay $800 to $2,500, with engraved or takedown models reaching higher depending on rarity and condition. Pros: rotary magazine allows pointed rounds. Sleek, snag-free profile with internal hammer. Excellent balance and accuracy. Cons: no longer in production. Some calibers harder to find. Parts and service may require vintage know-how. Number 6, Springfield M1A. If you ever shoulder this one and hear that deep steel-on-steel clack, trust me, you'll never forget it. This rifle brings old school muscle with modern precision. Chambered in 7.62 by 51 NATO, it's not built for lightweight carry or fast mag dumps. It's built for accuracy, power, and staying reliable when the pressure's on. Most models weigh between 8.8 to 9.3 pounds, with barrel lengths from 18 to 22 inches, and overall length running up to 44 inches, depending on the setup. It feeds from a detachable box magazine, usually 10 or 20 rounds, and gives you crisp iron sights right out of the box. Need glass? No problem. It's optics ready with solid mounting options. It's got that heavy recoil, sure, but it's smooth, predictable, and once you feel that action cycle, you'll know exactly why it's still a favorite decades later. Today, base models go for around $1,500 to $2,500, while upgraded variants, loaded or precision focused, can reach over $3,000, especially in limited runs or special finishes. Pros: legendary build quality and accuracy, powerful chambering with smooth cycling, excellent sights and easy optic upgrades. Cons: heavier than modern platforms, strong recoil for newer shooters. Premium price range. Number 7, Marlin 336 SBL. If you ever sell this one, don't be surprised when you're back online trying to buy it again at twice the price. It's one of the few lever actions that feels truly modern without losing its roots. Chambered in .30-30 Winchester, it brings the same proven stopping power but wraps it in stainless steel toughness and a no-nonsense laminated stock. It's made to get wet, get scratched, get dropped, and still run like nothing happened. With a 19.1-inch barrel, overall length of 37.25 inches, and weighing around 7.5 pounds, it's compact, steady, and made for fast handling in thick brush. The 6-round tube magazine keeps things simple and reliable. Add in a big loop lever and ghost ring sights, and you've got a rifle that's ready when the weather turns ugly. This isn't just a good truck gun, it's a smart investment. Prices currently sit between $1,300 and $1,800, but clean models sell fast, especially since production hiccups made them harder to find. Pros: stainless steel finish resists wear and weather, smooth lever action and reliable cycling, compact size with excellent handling, built for real-world field use. Cons: limited range compared to higher caliber rifles, fewer upgrade options than AR-style platforms. Number 8, Browning BAR Safari. Letting this one go. That's the kind of decision you'll feel every deer season from here on out. This rifle combines refined looks with serious firepower. From the deep blued finish to the checkered walnut stock and rosewood accents, it looks like it belongs in a showcase, but it's not built to sit still. It's made to perform in the field, and it does. It runs a self-regulating gas system, meaning it cycles reliably with both light and heavy loads without adjustment. The standard barrel is 22 inches, overall length around 43 inches, and weight sits close to 8 pounds. Balanced, but slightly rear heavy, which actually helps with recoil. It's chambered in a wide range of calibers, from .243 all the way up to .338 Win Mag. The detachable box magazine holds 3 or 4 rounds depending on the chambering and fits flush for a clean look. Current prices range from $1,100 for later models to over $3,500 for early Belgian-made safari-grade rifles with select walnut and factory engraving. Pros: elegant build with high hunting performance, self-adjusting gas system for reliable cycling, sub-MOA accuracy possible with quality ammo, excellent trigger with built-in safety features. Cons: magazines are proprietary and limited in capacity. Disassembly is more complex than bolt actions. Rear heavy feel may not suit all shooters. Replacement parts and support can be costly. Number 9, Henry AR-7. If your life ever came down to one rifle you could carry anywhere, this would be it. Originally made for downed pilots, it was built with one goal: keep you alive when everything else fails. Lightweight, compact, and brilliantly simple, this little .22 stores its barrel, receiver, and magazines inside its own stock. Screw it together in seconds and it's ready to go. Take it apart and it floats. Try that with your tactical rifle. It's chambered in .22 LR, weighs about 3.5 pounds, and has a 16.125-inch barrel with an overall length of 35 inches when assembled. It uses an 8-round detachable magazine, and most models include 2 mags stored in the stock. Perfect for backpacking, bug-out setups, glove boxes, or anywhere space matters more than flash. This isn't a showpiece, it's a tool, and once you've got one, you'll wonder how you ever camped or traveled without it. Prices today hover around $275 to $350, depending on finish and model year. Pros: breaks down and stores in its own stock. Floats when assembled or packed. Lightweight, compact, and easy to carry. Great for survival, camping, or travel. Cons: low capacity. Basic sights, not built for heavy use or long-range accuracy. Number 10, Remington 700 BDL. Think twice before letting this one go, because once it's gone, you'll be chasing that same feel for the rest of your shooting life. It's not flashy, it doesn't need to be. This classic bolt action is built around one thing: precision. With its smooth cycling, crisp trigger, and solid walnut stock, it feels like it was made for the serious hunter who values reliability over trend. It's available in a wide range of calibers, from .22 to Remington up to .458 Win Mag, but fan favorites include .270 Winchester and .30-06 Springfield. It features a 22 to 24 inch hammer forged barrel, depending on model, and weighs in at about 7.5 to 8.5 pounds. It uses a floor plate magazine with 4+1 capacity, and the fit and finish on pre-1980s models, hard to match even today. Prices range from $800 for well-used rifles to over $2,500 for pre-1964 models in top condition, especially those with premium wood or rare chamberings. Pros: proven accuracy and durable forged receiver. Factory trigger can rival aftermarket options. Smooth bolt throw and strong lockup in classic styling with lasting value. Cons: older safety designs lack modern upgrades. Stock finish requires care in tough weather. Bedding may need updating for peak performance. That wraps it up. 10 rifles that deserve a permanent spot in your safe. These aren't the ones you flip or trade away. They're the ones you hold on to, shoot for years, and pass down when the time's right. Thanks for watching All About Firearms. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stick around. More solid picks and smart advice are coming your way.